So we proceed with the cover. Once again, the basis of measuring the cover. Now look at this. For you to have this covering this, which makes it, which shows that this, the bottom enters inside the cover, there should be allowance that makes the cover a little bit wider than the bottom for it to be able to cover it. Now, the wideness of the cover is 0.1. We gave it additional 0.1. That is the deepness of this edge in order to be able to cover it. Let's go while we proceed with it. Here we go. We measure 0.5, which is the flap for the cover, and the height of the cover is 1. We measure 1. Now, the length of the cover from here to here is 4. And because it's going to cover this, we are going to add allowance. This is 4, and allowance goes for 0.1. That is plus 0.1. Then you measure your height, then your flap. Over to this end, this is your flap. Then you measure your first height. Then you measure your length, which is 4. Then you plus 0.1 for the allowance. Then 1 and the flap. This is an off cut. And you crease, and crease. Then over to the breadth side. You measure similar thing, half,